the same, I am too reckless. I'm not trying to go in that direction. These they've been doing too much flexing, and they about to call the wrong attention. And I don't got no patience, no more testing. I do how I want, don't need no blessing.